In this video, I am going to show you how to create a group chat on Instagram. This is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to launch your Instagram application and then tap this direct messenger here at the top right corner. Now, you just have to choose those people or anyone on your friends list that you wanted to add to your group chat. Okay, so once you tap this one, you have to click this pencil icon here, this one. Now you have to add your friends list on Instagram, or you have to add someone or more than one person on your group chat. Let's just say I wanted to add my friend Ellie and also my friend Kamiz and others. You just have to tap this one. You just have to click this circle here to add them. Then once done, you just have to tap this create group chat. So this is what it looks like. Now, you can change the name of your group chat. You just have to tap the names up here and then click this change name and photo if you want. Okay, change group name. Let's just say I want to change this as team, something like that, or everything is up to you. This is just an example. Click save. You can even change the photo. You can even change chat theme if you want. And you can add people. If you forgot someone and you want to add him or her to your chat box, you just have to click the circle again or search their name here. Click done. Click OK. And then also you can tap this privacy and safety if you want to adjust something on your settings. Then you can go back. You could also mute the group or you can even leave the group. You just have to tap this one and then click leave. As easy as that. And that's how easy it is to create a group chat on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.